how to download and install Far Cry 3 on your Windows PC or laptop. So if you want to download Far Cry 3 on your Windows computer, laptop, or your PC, then first you need to just go with your browser. Once you open up your browser, you just need simply go with your search. And under search, you need to search for Steam. First go with the Steam website. And from here, it will welcome Steam. If you have not installed your Steam, then you just need simply go and install Steam application. Once you install your Steam, you need to open up your Steam application. If you already have Steam application, you can go directly to the application. After opening your Steam, you need to just go with your search on your Steam and search for Far Cry 3. Once you've searched, you will find the game right here. Once you have your game, you need to just go with add to cart. Once you've added to the cart, then you just need simply go with view my cart and select the game. After that, go with continue to payment, which is on the right side. Continue for the payment and add your payment method if you've not added your payment method. And after adding your payment method, just go and pay for the game and you will have an install button. You'll be able to install your Far Cry 3 once you've done with your payment method. In this way, you'll be able to download and install Far Cry 3, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.